Yay! I got your new chair! Yay!
Quite honestly, this is not a birthday gift. I will not be the only one sitting on this new throne in the RV. So maybe this is an anniversary gift. But it's not a birthday gift. I'm just here for the video. I'm the camera woman, and I got my maintenance guy in here.
She keeps me very busy as a maintenance guy. So, as you saw, we're going to replace our toilet. This is the original toilet that was installed with the rig. We have wanted to change it out since we got it.
Nothing wrong with it, really.
It works as advertised. My wife does not like it for a couple reasons. One, when you do this,
Oh, jeez.
the toilet seat comes up with it. She hates that. Two, these are hard to clean. Three, the water shoots out this way, and it doesn't really do a great job of cleaning as good as it can. Anyway, we want to update our toilet to the Dometic 310, so that's what we're doing.
And we have YouTubed how to do this. We've watched a few people. We watched Phil and Stacy change out their seat, and we watched the Hanks. We didn't watch them change it out, but we watched Carl receive his toilet and really enjoyed it. And then we watched the Brits too. They all showed us how to do it, so it looks pretty simple, and my maintenance guy, super smart.
I'll be honest, I didn't look at a single instructions other than watch the video, and so I know, one, I turned the water off, so I killed the power, or killed the water flow, so I'm going to loosen that up, and there's only 2 bolts to take it off, so you just remove the caps off the top of the bolts, pull those off.
Simple Simon.
Yeah, use a 1/2-inch wrench. So I'm going to take the water off first, and hopefully we have gotten most of it out. We got a little bit of water here. Hopefully not much water will come out. We got a little bit of water, even though I tried to drain it.
Good reason to have a towel here, I guess.
Yeah. All right, here we go. All right. And where'd my wrench go? There's some half-inch wrench bolts. Come on. And so I will, before I go much further, I'm going to put my gloves on, because I know at this point
It's a toilet.
it's a toilet and it's already been cleaned, but a pair of gloves are cheap, and I do not like to mess with toilets. Before I go anywhere else, I love using these gloves. I use them for everything. All the cleaning, everything else. It saves me a lot of time cleaning my hands. You know, growing up you didn't do that. And now we got these gloves. It's great. Every time I do maintenance, throw the gloves off, my hands are clean. Anyway. That's it. So, I saw my buddy Phil actually just drop his right in a bag, so God willing, and Got a little bit of water here still coming out. That's what's going to happen here. And if it's not, if it's not because no instructions were read, this is going to be bad. No problem. That's it. Hey, there it is.
Who out there starts their projects at 9 p.m. at night? Is it just us?
All the time.
Leave us a comment below what time do y'all do your projects. Probably first thing in the morning or something like that. But
Something
anyway.
smarter than 9 p.m.
Yeah, we've done a lot of things lately at 9 p.m. I don't know, it's just when we finally stop, I guess. I don't know. 9 p.m. it seems like our fixer-up time.
Dun, 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 dun. Drum roll!
Screws. This is how stable your toilet is. 2 little screws.
There we go.
Oh, it's a little wobbly.
Well, they haven't fastened down yet. All right.
I feel like
these came with washers, the new bolts. Oh, hold on now. These came with washers and the original toilet did not, so hopefully, we'll see. Feels a little wobbly to me, but
super wobbly.
so hopefully it'll seal on down. I did check, it does have the seal on the bottom, so it shouldn't be an issue. You do have to change these out though. These are bigger than the originals, so
Use the ones that come with the toilet.
use the ones that come with the toilet so the washer can slide over top of it. Tighten it up. And of course, you have to change wrenches because the originals are bigger. So I'm gonna go get another wrench. Alright, I went from a 1/2 inch to a 7/16. I really should probably have a socket. It'd be a little faster. Right.
No more wobble.
No more wobble. Okay, that's pretty tight. So I think you have to kill it. But no ways. I did change gloves, so we're good there.
I think the toilet matches our great wallpaper project that we started at also at like 9 o'clock and finished at like 1.
I think that was felt like 10 o'clock at night.
We
That was
probably,
a 10 o'clocker.
yeah, I think we started at 10 and finished by 1 or 2. Just got such a nice little potty corner now.
Okay.
Plumber's tape? Is that what that's called?
Yep. This lid is tight, so it's got the little clips back here that just snap in. So, like so.
Let me see that lid. Slow close. Easy clean there. Oh wow, it's really slow close. This is not in slow-mo, this is real time.
This is real time, everybody.
We'll have to count that. I'm gonna run a timer. We're gonna time this. This is the slowest slow close. Is there an adjustment on that?
Goodness gracious.
There's gotta be an adjustment on that slow close. Anybody know if there's an adjustment on the slow close? It's pretty slow.
Cross your fingers, I'm gonna turn the water on, so hopefully it didn't leak.
Ooh.
You're loud.
Nothing's leaking.
Good.
Of course, you gotta push it and get some water flowing
Get
through.
some water flowing.
Yep.
Maybe some squirting here. Let's see.
Get those fancy all around the bowl. But there's still all these stripes. Oh, look at dry. Interesting.
Maybe a little more pressure. I'll do that.
Interesting, Lacey.
It wasn't coming up anywhere up here now, and now it is.
It
So,
is, I think.
those who have the Dometic 310, is this normal? Like, I'm sure there's water in there, and eventually it's got to come down. So,
Yeah, it looks like it's stopping now.
yeah. Here we go.
$15. 30 seconds. Woohoo! That's some slow close there.